and the lengthy explanations and court case that has gone into it. Unfortunately, my lords and my lady, it seems that some people are being favored over us, and in this matter, it is the state or advocates. We are here acting in person, and we are entitled to the same equal protection of the law. We are here trying to defend the Constitution and our constitutional rights. I am being discriminated against as a woman, as a person with disabilities, and as a youth, my lords and my lady. We filed our application on the 8th of October 2024, and we thought that we would be enjoined as interested parties to participate in Tuesday's proceedings, but we were not. So we did not have the time to ventilate our issues properly. My lords and my lady, we are asking you to stay your orders for 7 days, as you have told us to come back on the 7th of November. So at least we get a fair chance, a fair fighting chance as a sovereign to also ventilate our issues properly. The state cannot override us, and advocates cannot override us, my lords and my lady. This is a court for equality, and we are asking for equality. My lords and my lady, we also appreciate that the regardless side has asked for 7 days to appeal. Kindly consider us in, because there is no point in justice. It will be granted to some petitioners, and others will just be thrown under the bus and into the darkness. Thank you.
If I may respond. Yes, sir.
Can you just clarify your application? You say it's dated the 8th of October?
8th of October 2024. It's petition E541 of 2024, who was seeking stay orders to stay the proceedings in the National Assembly based on Article 32(1), freedom of conscience, and Article 33, freedom of expression.
Let me clarify. Is that the matter which you are dealing with Dr. Bosso?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Now, if you have been following the directions of this court keenly, we have been issuing various orders on consolidation. And I can assure you, I did that. And you and Dr. Bosso are petitioners in one of the cohorts. I think it's cohort number 1. Yes, it's cohort number 1. You are petitioners in cohort number 1. And we directed everybody to get into the CTS system, and whoever has a problem to get in touch with the deputy registrar. So it is not right, Ms. Wanjiru, to claim that you have not been enjoined in this proceedings. You have been enjoined. You are a party, and that is why we allow Dr. Bosso to address the court, even yourself.
Yeah, she addressed
so
the
you are a party. You are a party. That one I can assure you.
My lords, we were not entitled to the right of enjoinder, and we had points that we wanted to defend against the respondent side. So we're just finding it very difficult that due process is not being followed in our instance, as we applied even before both parties on the 8th of October 2024. They came to court on the 18th, 10 days after us, and they have still been granted audience before us, and we were told we're going to be in cohort 1, and then cohort 1, this application has already overtaken cohort 1. We're now being told to come next week, after the swearing in would have been gone through, and after numerous rights would have been violated that we have raised.
I think, Ms. Wanjiru, what you just need to do is just get into the CTS, get all the directions. There's every direction. There's a reason why we came up with cohort 1 application petitions and cohort 2 applications.
Yes, my lord.
So I think we may not wish to respond on whether you are discriminated or not, but we are so sure you are not discriminated, because there are proper directions in respect of every cohort and every matter before us.
My lord,
kindly take time to go through the situation.
My lord, I offer to assist her.
Thank you. This court had made directions on this issue. Yeah. We said there are only 2 applications before this court right now, and those are 2 applications which will be responded to. We have applications. We are finished with this side.
You have not spoken on behalf of the second petitioner.
My lord, that would like an opportunity to respond to both applications that are being brought today.
Maybe I can say one thing, just on behalf of the second petitioner. My name is Kimoto Wanjiru Makazi. Yes, there's Kimani. welcome the ruling. However, there are some bits that we feel aggrieved